Hello everybody, it's January 2nd, 2026. Got our first failure of the year. So, typically mop Thursday, Friday, somewhere in there. This week's no exception. Go to get the cleaning supplies out and notice water under here, under the sink. So I clean it up, dry it off, kind of pinpoint where it's coming from. It's coming from right in this area here. Well, turns out this ring let go. So we got to fix that up today. So that'll be awesome. At least it already kind of pre-disassembled itself. There's a look at the failure point. Right there. That one's done. So probably you go ahead and just get a whole new kit. I don't know how corroded those threads are going to be. Don't want to take a chance on it, so let's just do it right, do it once, call it good. So I have to do a second cleaning under here when I'm done, of course, and then we'll put everything back in and hopefully call it good. And glad it happened today, not tomorrow, because we're supposed to have a family get-together. So I'm gonna get ready to go out and get the supplies for tomorrow, and while I'm out, go ahead and pick that drain kit up and fix this thing back up again. Yeah, it was leaking, obviously, between that lip and the sink, because that big nut had failed and it was no longer holding tight. So get that fixed up. That one was Taiwan. I bet that was from Ace Hardware or something like that. Of course, being OCD, I'll line it up a little bit better than this one. And we'll go on about the day, and hopefully nothing else fails within a day or two. Well, I'm back with parts. Let's get started. First step will be cleaning this up really good. What? Talk to me just a minute. And I got them hearing aids in, and I put in them old ones, okay? And I think I can hear you. Well, they're making a lot of noise. I can hear you though, okay? And them others, I couldn't hear you when you talked to me. I got them original ones I had. Yeah. I put batteries in them, and I've been in there working on them. I'll leave you alone now. I just want to see if they're working. Or they're whistling. They're too loud. You might need to turn them down just a little bit. Yeah, I'll probably have to adjust them in a minute. I'll let them. I can hear myself talking real loud. Okay. Well, if they're going to work, that'd be better. What? If they're going to work, that'll be better. Yeah, them others bothered people. When I first got them, they could hear. They'd tell me they could hear them squeaking, and I could hear with them on. All right, I got my plumber's putty on there. Maybe a little bit more there. Just made a snake and went around it. And I can put that in there. Looks like I need a little more putty. Kind of want it to squish out. So we'll put a little more on. Make another snake. That ought to be sufficient. It ought to squish out everywhere. Make a good seal. Oh yeah, I like that. Then I can rake off the excess. We'll do a final cleanup when I'm all done. Go underneath again. That might be a good view. Oh yeah, there's the plumber's putty. So I need to clean all this off underneath too. I can get a seal on there. Put this new stuff on. I am lined up. Okay, here we go. Got my new gasket there. And it fell off. So that's pretty cool. There we go. Of course fell off, so I'll pop that back on right quick. Looks like it wants to cross thread. Well, always something. Try this one. Nope. Try this. There we go. Leak test. Looking good so far. I think we're good. So once again, replacing a defective sink strainer on this 1967 sink. Thank you for watching.